Just one.
Just one.
Just one.
So what's all the buzz about? It's about the Just One Club for ABC SoCal members like me.
And me, who believe ABC has helped their company be more successful. You can join the Just One Club by referring just one new member who might want to join the chapter this year.
Just one referral. That's all we're asking. More ABC members mean more clout and more opportunities for all of us.
But can one new member make a difference?
Absolutely. Imagine if every SoCal member refers just one company and that company joins. But it's not just about growing the chapter. When your referral joins, it will help your business as well. More members mean a more powerful political voice and more benefits for you, your company, and your employees.
And with your first referral, you'll get a Just One Club coffee mug. And you will be recognized on the chapter website as a Just One Club member, as well as receive valuable ABC bucks that you can use to bid on exciting silent auction items at next year's chapter awards and installation dinner.
And that's only the beginning. To find out more about the ABC SoCal Just One Club, go to the Just One Club page on our website.
Join the Just One Club. It's easy. Hey, who's your one?